Alright, so you're gonna clear those rods, get Mr. Dinky's up in the tower, Sandy.
Kev, come forward to port.
Keep him tight. Don't yarn on him too much. Try to keep it.
Hey!
Go back. He's coming, Kev.
He's coming up again. He's coming up. He's coming up. Real.
Alright, come back this way now. Go back.
Come in reverse. See if we can get some line on him, man.
What's your marathon? What's the longest it took you to get?
Who's your best? Out there, right?
He's going out. I see. There he is.
Ready, Kevin?
Sandy, go to the helm for me. Actually,
We're fine.
It's awesome up here, let me tell you. Are you shitting me? Missed, I think.
Come on, Kev, he's right here. Don't worry, just pick it up.
Someone be ready to grab that arm.
Oh.
Be ready if you
get him on this
need
side.
feet.
Don't move. No one make any noise.
Wow, holy shit.
Tell everyone, no movement. Ready, Kev?
Yeah, baby!
what's the line?
What's your line? Get out of there, get your feet out.
We're gonna get another dot in them, guys.
Yeah, wait, he's all right. That guy's still got a hook. Just wait. Don't put tension
Alright, we're
on
gonna
him.
go nice and easy.
No
here.
tension with the dart, Kev. No tension with the dart. Let me fight him on the rod. Dart's last resort.
Wow, that thing is huge.
Nice job, Kev. Nice job.
Nice job, Kev. Nice shot, buddy. Nice shot. There you go.
I'll work on your hip. I'll work on
You're gonna get another dot in them, right?
call as soon as we get in to take care of your hip. We'll rub that out for you.
All right, hold on. Just wait. I'm gonna let him come around here. That's a giant.
Like 6 inches off.
Wow.
Watch your feet, guys.
Everyone, yes, stay out of that line. Go over, just hold your breath. Hold your back.
And you never showed up this morning. How's it for me, huh? Thanks, Randy. Thanks for not coming.
He can never come again.
Yeah, he's all done.
Ah, you hit his air bladder. Look at the bubbles. That's
Never
gonna make
come
him even
again.
heavier.
Bad luck.
Alright, we got the swivel. We're gonna put another dot in his head. That's right here.
Just wait. Let's just get him up here.
Wait.
Hey,
You're gonna need me to hold that line?
Wow.
You take this line. I'm gonna put another dot in his head. You want this? Yeah.
Here he comes.
Watch that line by your feet. Hold on.
Hey, next circle, Kev. Hold on. Just wait.
Yeah, he'll come up.
Next circle, Kev.
Kev, am I letting the line out?
No, don't let it get in the wheel.
Pull that dart?
No, you don't have to pull that. Just pull steady pressure, that's all.
Okay. Wait, Kev. Put some pressure on him.
Steady, yeah, you're gonna put equal pressure as hell. So you're pulling them up
Pull
together.
You're pulling up that weight.
Step to the back by Dylan. Yeah. Probably likes you that close, though.
It's a boy tuna.
Alright, keep him coming.
Hold on.
One more turn, I'm gonna put a dot.
Just one more turn. Let's just go easy. There's no point rushing anything here. You don't want to get him in the wheel.
You're gonna hold steady. Pull on him.
Here he comes.
Go out of your hands.
Here comes the dot. I can see him good now.
Hold him.
No, don't hold him.
Here he comes. Missed. He's up high too.
You got it. Pull it. Just wait until we can hit him, Kev. His leaders are,
He's coming up high now. He's coming up.
Hold on.
Nice. You need help getting them in, huh?
Got one.
No, we're gonna get a gap right there. Another gap. You
Pull
want
that wire. Pull the wire. Pull the wire.
I want a gap in his.
Nice one. Look at the shape on it. Pull him up.
Wow. Holy shit.
Rope.
Hold the gas, Andy. He's done.
Yeah, baby! Yeah!
You're all set.
Yes!
That was big.
Yes!
I'll tell you about all this.
All right, guys. Nice job.
Wow!
Good job, guys. Good job right there.
Snap the gap. Here, guys. Hold on. We're going to situate them.
Listen, if those gaps pull, you don't want to punch yourselves in the stomach.
Ready? Come on, we need some
That's
muscle.
his downside. You want this
Let off on the reel.
Let off on there. Hold on.
Flip. Here we go.
Okay.
Ready? Pull.
Come on, guys.
Go, 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 go! Yeah!